Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Japanese tare sauce. So first off, we're going to start off with 2 thumbs of ginger, just rough cut and peeled. We're going to toss that in. Then we're going to add in some Bonito flakes, a 1/4 cup. We're going to do about 3 to 5 green onions, depending on the size, and half them. We're going to add in 5 to 7 garlic toes, rough cut and peeled, just to get those in there. We're going to do 3/4 cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar. We're going to do 2 ounces of mirin, or 1/4 cup. We're going to add Winston, it's okay, Bubba. We're going to do 3 ounces of water, 8 ounces of soy sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of peppercorns. I prefer green peppercorns. And we're going to put this on medium heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes or until it's about half reduced. And then we're going to skim it and strain out all the vegetables and all that, the peppercorns, the green onions. And then we're going to use a little bit of cornstarch, just a teaspoon, just to thicken it, not a super thick sauce. So now it's reduced down, so we're going to strain it and then put it back on the stove. So now we're going to take the sauce and strain it through the sieve. Watch how it splash. Press a little bit of this, try to get out all that flavor. We're going to add our sauce back in. Go over to the stove and add our corn, heat it up and add our cornstarch. And then here we have 1 teaspoon cornstarch. I'm just going to mix that up while we're waiting for that to come. Just a little bit of that in, let it start to thicken. And that's all the sugar caramelizing on the sides, so we're going to have to turn that off. It's just got a nice little coat. So I'm going to allow this to come to room temp, and then I'm going to place it in a jar, and once it's completely cooled down, I'm going to then put it in the fridge for use later. But it's great to dip chicken in it when you're grilling it or baste, and then you can always make another batch and add to it, and over time just keep building the flavors that come in that sauce over and over. I'm going to add the sauce to the jar, just then let it sit on the counter and cool.